Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday the 31st of March. Going to look at dollar yen now, and there was a slight element of support that dollar yen started to find over yesterday's trading, and into today we've seen the dollar just picking up slightly again. A little bit of a neutralish candle yesterday, leaving support at 107.10. That traded low yesterday, then rebound off that. And it's interesting that we're sort of holding on to, first of all, the 50% fib line, 106.70, that October low of 106.50, but still back above 107.65. So these old lows seem to be sort of a basis of support. And what we've seen is the market, which tailed off over the back end of last week quite sharply, starting to sort of stabilize again. The question is this the start of a renewed dollar bull run, or is it just going to be another sort of opportunity to possibly open new short positions on dollar yen, where the yen strengthens against the dollar? Now, looking at this hourly chart, you'd still say that there's an element of corrective outlook here, because the market rolled over at 109.30 last week and sort of created this topping pattern whereby you've still got downside targets yet to play out. So you measure sort of 240 pips down from 109.30, so you're targeting around the sort of 106.90 area, so 107.10. I suppose that's not a million miles off that target, but you'd still see that there is, I think, a corrective outlook that has come through the momentum indicators on the hourly. You've got the RSI, which again up around that 60 point seems to be arguably limiting. It'll be interesting to see if the market can break back out above 108.70, which is the initial high today. But 109.05 area, a breakdown and sort of new little resistance area underneath 109.30. So there is overhead supply now that the market's got to contend with if a rally does start to take off. And given the fact that the momentum is sort of up around levels where previously in the past week and a half you started to see the selling pressure come back in, it'll be arguable whether this rally can continue. Now there is a development of little minor higher lows overnight, and you're leaving sort of 108.05 and then 107.50, 107.70 area as the basis of support. But yeah, as I said, it'll be interesting to see how far this little technical rally can go. So mixed signals coming through dollar yen increasingly, and it looks like the market is sort of trading around a little bit of a crossroads now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.